Hello everyone, my name is Saili Rajendravani. Today's video topic is Angular components and modules. Angular applications are modular and Angular has its own modularity system which is called ng modules. Ng modules are containers for a cohesive block of code dedicated to an application domain, a workflow or a closely related set of capabilities. They can contain components, service providers and other code files whose scope is defined by the containing ng modules. They can import functionality that is exported from other ng modules and export selected functionality for use by other ng modules. Every Angular application has at least one ng module class, the root module, which is conventionally named app module and resides in a file named appmodule.ts. You launch your application by bootstrapping the root ng module. While a small application might have only one ng module, most applications have many more feature modules. The root ng module for an application is so named because it can include child ng module is an hierarchy of any path, any depth. ng module metadata. An ng module is defined by a class which is decorated by @ng module. The @ng module decorator is a function that takes a single metadata object whose properties describe the module. The most important properties are as follows: declarations, the components, directives and pipes that belongs to these ng module, exports, the subset of declarations that should be visible and usable in the component templates of other ng modules, imports, the other modules whose exported classes are needed by the component templates declared in this ng module, providers, creators of services that these ng modules contributes to the global collection of services. They become accessible in all parts of the application. Next is Bootstrap, the main application view called the root component, which hosts all other application views. Only the root ng module should set the Bootstrap properties. So app component is included the exports list here for illustration. It isn't actually necessary in this example. A root ng module has no reason to export anything because other modules don't need to import the root ng module. ng modules and components. ng modules provides a compilation context for their components. A root ng module always has a root component that is created during the bootstrap, but any ng module can include any number of additional components. The additional components which can be loaded through the router or it can be created through the template. The components that belong to the ng module which share a complete compilation context. Thank you.